Are you misreading things? Maybe overthinking, being a little judgmental, or sitting into perfectionism or not good enoughness. What's actually happening is surface perception and thinking. And the card from the Oracle of the Lake deck that we're talking about to explore this is the look through the veil card. Look through the veil, look through all those clouds, right? It shows up when we have surface level thinking and perception, when we believe we know it all. But maybe we're being a little too judgmental, or we're in our perfectionist way, or maybe we're doubting ourselves and not thinking we're good enough, right? That's not safe, allowing for sacred observation in your life. And what this card reveals is truth lies deeper. It goes well beyond this. And it isn't about fixing the thing in front of you, right, and making it even more perfect than it could possibly could be. Right? It is about shifting your mindset. For this is an air card, which is all about our thought patterns. When in balance, we are stuck in those negative patterns, maybe being judgmental and going into the I'm not good enoughness. Right? So, shifting the energy of our mind and reprogramming those patterns and those thoughts allows you to become stronger and more clear and allows for greater observation, right? The veil will be lifted, the clouds will clear, and clarity will come, and flow becomes you, right? So, I want to ask you a question. The last time you were judgmental, and all of us have that in us. What pattern did appeared, and how did you need to release it? And when those patterns show up, and you quickly can realign your thoughts and look deeper through the veil, what's going to happen? Because you don't need more effort, we don't need more judgment. You just simply need more alignment. So go to the description and go further in looking through the veil with this insight, and grab the link allowing you to smile with the smile of the Great Spirit, which is the inspiration for the Oracle of the Lake deck. And I'll see you in the next card.